Hello everyone, I'm Samantha Yadav and the topic of my poster is ruthenium complexes of amide-based ligand-bearing appended functional group characterization and catalytic application. So in this poster, I will be discussing two topics. First one is N-alkylation of primary amines with alcohols using ruthenium complexes of pyridine carboxamide ligands. In this project, we have synthesized 6 ruthenium complexes using benzimidazole and thiazole ligand. We synthesize these complexes by reacting these ligands with different ruthenium precursors in different solvents, and the catalysts were obtained in very good yield. After synthesis, we characterize these complexes with different spectrochemical techniques like NMR, infrared spectroscopy, mass spectrometry, and crystal structures. We also perform the cyclopolarimetry of the complexes. So as these complexes have labile site, so they can be used as catalysts. So for their catalytic application, we explored the N-alkylation reaction. First, we optimized the reaction condition by varying the catalyst, solvent, base, and temperature. And it was found that catalyst 1 in toluene and base potassium hydroxide at 100-degree temperature is the best condition for this reaction. We have also shown the mechanism of the reaction, and one of the intermediate, which is ruthenium hydride species, we prepared this intermediate independently. It was highly stable and characterized this intermediate with crystal structure, proton NMR, and phosphorus NMR. So my second topic is transfer hydrogenation of ketone by using ruthenium complexes of phosphine amide based ligands. So in this topic, we have synthesized phosphine based amide complexes of the ruthenium. So these complexes were synthesized by the reaction of ligands, which are amide ligand of phosphine with the ruthenium precursor in methanol. And we also characterize them using different spectrochemical techniques like NMR, IR, mass spectrometry, crystal structures, and we also perform cyclic voltammetry. So for the exploration of their application, we utilize these complexes for the transfer hydrogenation of ketones. So first we perform the optimization of the reaction conditions. So we varied the catalyst, solvent, base, and the temperature, and it was found that catalyst 2 in isopropanol with base potassium hydroxide at 80-degree temperature are the best condition for this transfer hydrogenation. So we performed this reaction with different ketones, and the mechanism is also shown here. So we trapped this ruthenium hydride intermediate and characterized it using NMR. In conclusion, we have prepared different ruthenium complexes and utilized them for the N-alkylation and transfer hydrogenation catalysis. And these complexes were highly effective in the catalytic reactions. Thank you.